Have you ever wondered what Polygon MATIC is? Well, let's dive into the world of this unique cryptocurrency. Polygon MATIC, previously known as the MATIC network, is a groundbreaking platform designed for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the blockchain world, with a myriad of tools and features designed to make Ethereum more versatile and user-friendly. At the heart of Polygon MATIC is the Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that's capable of supporting a multitude of application types. Think of it like a Lego set for blockchain developers, offering an array of building blocks that can be pieced together to create a variety of unique, tailored solutions. This versatility is what sets Polygon apart and makes it a go-to choice for developers looking to push the boundaries of what's possible with Ethereum. But what does it mean to scale Ethereum? Well, in simple terms, it means enhancing Ethereum's capacity to handle more transactions, more quickly and more efficiently. As the Ethereum network grows and more people use it, the need for scalability becomes increasingly important. This is where Polygon MATIC comes in, providing a robust solution to Ethereum's scalability challenges. One of the unique features of Polygon MATIC is its ability to create various infrastructures as required by developers. From optimistic roll-up chains to ZK roll-up chains, standalone chains, and more, Polygon offers a variety of solutions to meet the diverse needs of developers. This adaptability is a testament to the platform's innovative approach and commitment to supporting the growth and evolution of the Ethereum ecosystem. But it's not just about enhancing Ethereum's capabilities. Polygon MATIC takes Ethereum a notch higher, transforming it into a comprehensive multi-chain system. This multi-chain system is akin to other ones such as Polkadot, Cosmos, and Avalanche. It combines the security and openness of Ethereum with the flexibility of a multi-chain system, offering the best of both worlds. So there you have it. Polygon MATIC is not just a platform, it's a revolution in Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development, paving the way for a more efficient and versatile blockchain ecosystem. Stay tuned to explore more about this fascinating platform and its role in the world of cryptocurrencies. Polygon MATIC takes Ethereum a notch higher, transforming it into a comprehensive multi-chain system, comparable to others like Polkadot, Cosmos, and Avalanche. But what role does Polygon MATIC play in the crypto world, you may ask? Well, let's delve into this. Polygon MATIC, previously known as MATIC Network, acts as a platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. It's like the construction kit of the crypto world, providing a flexible framework for building multiple types of applications. Developers can use Polygon to create optimistic roll-up chains, ZK roll-up chains, standalone chains, and more. But Polygon's role doesn't stop at being a developer's tool. It also aims to stimulate mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by resolving the notorious issue of scalability that plagues many blockchains. Imagine a highway during rush hour. The more cars, the more congestion. It's the same with blockchains. The more transactions, the more congestion, leading to slower processing times and higher fees. Polygon tackles this issue head-on, increasing the speed limit and adding more lanes to our metaphorical highway. Moreover, Polygon transforms Ethereum into a multi-chain system, akin to other systems such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and more. This multi-chain system benefits from Ethereum's security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. So in essence, Polygon serves as an enhancement to Ethereum, bolstering its capabilities and expanding its reach. Now let's talk about the $MATIC token. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's the lifeblood of the Polygon ecosystem. The MATIC token plays an increasingly important role in securing the system and enabling governance. Think of it as a key that unlocks the many features and capabilities of Polygon. It's used for payment services within the Polygon ecosystem and also serves as a settlement currency between users. In conclusion, Polygon MATIC is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a crucial player, a linchpin in the crypto infrastructure. It provides the tools for developers to build on, solve scalability problems, and boosts the capabilities of Ethereum. And at the heart of it all is the MATIC token, driving the system and facilitating its operation. So Polygon MATIC is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a crucial player in the crypto infrastructure. Now, let's delve into the technology that powers Polygon MATIC. Polygon MATIC's strength lies in its unique combination of the Plasma framework and proof-of-stake blockchain architecture. The Plasma framework, proposed by Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin, is designed to facilitate scalable and autonomous smart contracts. This framework is the backbone of Polygon MATIC, allowing it to smoothly execute a multitude of transactions. Speaking of transactions, Polygon MATIC is no slouch when it comes to speed. It boasts up to 65,000 transactions per second on a single sidechain. Now that's like a cheetah sprinting in the realm of blockchains. Couple this with a block confirmation time of less than 2 seconds, and you have a platform that is not just swift, but also efficient. But that's not all. The Plasma framework gives Polygon the potential of housing an unlimited number of decentralized applications on their infrastructure. Unlike traditional proof-of-work blockchains that often face issues of scalability and efficiency, Polygon MATIC's infrastructure is built to handle a vast number of decentralized applications without breaking a sweat. Imagine a bustling city with countless buildings, each housing different businesses, organizations, and individuals. Now, imagine this city never experiences traffic jams, power outages, or any of the usual urban problems. That's what Polygon MATIC aims to be in the world of blockchains, a bustling, efficient, and scalable city of decentralized applications. Moreover, the existing ecosystem built on the Plasma POS chain remains intact. With Polygon, new features are continuously being developed around the existing proven technology, expanding its ability to cater to diverse needs from the developer ecosystem. It's like adding new, efficient roads to our bustling city without disrupting the existing infrastructure. In essence, the technology behind Polygon MATIC is robust and built to support scalability. It's a testament to the power of combining the Plasma framework with a proof-of-stake blockchain architecture, creating a platform that is not only fast and efficient, but also capable of supporting a wide array of decentralized applications. Therefore, the technology behind Polygon MATIC is robust and built to support scalability. But that's not all. There's also the MATIC token to talk about. Let's dive into the heart of the Polygon ecosystem, the MATIC token. This is no ordinary token. It's a unique ERC20 token that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. ERC20, for those who might not know, is a technical standard used for smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain for implementing tokens. The MATIC token plays a pivotal role in the ecosystem of Polygon. It's not just a token, it's a medium of exchange, a way to pay for services and a settlement currency within the Polygon network. It's like the lifeblood that keeps the ecosystem functioning smoothly and efficiently. Just imagine you're a user operating within the Polygon ecosystem, and you need to settle transactions with another user. The MATIC token is your go-to currency. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's secure. But there's more to it than just being a medium of exchange. The MATIC token is also used to pay transaction fees on Polygon's sidechains. Now this is where it gets interesting. The concept of sidechains is one of the most innovative aspects of Polygon. Sidechains are essentially separate blockchains that run alongside the main Ethereum blockchain, helping to increase scalability and efficiency. So, when you're conducting a transaction on a Polygon sidechain, you're not just using the Ethereum blockchain, you're also using the MATIC token to pay for the transaction fees. This creates a symbiotic relationship between the Ethereum blockchain and the MATIC token, with each one complementing and enhancing the other's functionality. In other words, the MATIC token is not just a token, it's an essential part of the Polygon ecosystem. It's the fuel that powers the engine of this innovative platform, ensuring transactions are processed quickly and efficiently. So, to sum it up, the MATIC token is a versatile, multi-purpose token that plays an integral role in the Polygon ecosystem. It's not just a token, it's a tool that enables the Polygon network to function at its full potential. So, the MATIC token is an integral part of the Polygon ecosystem. Lastly, let's take a moment to recognize the brains behind Polygon MATIC. The project was co-founded by Jayanti Kannani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun, three individuals whose dedication and expertise have been instrumental in shaping the crypto space. Jayanti Kannani, a full-stack developer and blockchain engineer, currently leads the team as the CEO of Polygon. His journey into the world of blockchain technology is quite interesting. Before immersing himself into the crypto universe, Janti worked as a data scientist with Housing.com, honing his analytical skills and gaining valuable experience in handling complex data structures. As he ventured into blockchain, Janti played a pivotal role in implementing Web3, Plasma, and the Wallet Connect protocol on Ethereum. His ability to understand and apply intricate technologies has been a driving force behind Polygon's innovative solutions. Alongside Janti, Sandeep Nailwal and Anurag Arjun have also been key to Polygon's success. Before launching Polygon in October of 2017, the trio were significant contributors to the Ethereum ecosystem. They worked diligently on implementing the Plasma MVP, the Wallet Connect protocol, and the widely used Dagger event notification engine on Ethereum. Their collective expertise and experience have enabled them to create a platform that effectively addresses the scalability issues prevalent in many blockchains. With Polygon, they have managed to stimulate mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by offering a platform capable of executing scalable and autonomous smart contracts with ease. Beyond their technical contributions, the founders' vision for a more inclusive and efficient blockchain ecosystem has guided Polygon's growth. They have fostered a vibrant community of developers and users and have continuously evolved the platform to meet the diverse needs of this ecosystem. With such a dedicated and experienced team, Polygon MATIC is geared up to make a significant impact in the crypto world.